Hi everyone, David here. I wanted to talk today about Lukso. I'm doing a series right now called End of Year Price Targets. And of course, this is anyone's guess what will happen. But here are the assumptions that I'm basing these price targets on. The first and major assumption is that Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to appreciate in value and hit the targets of around 90,000, between 90,000 and 140,000 by the end of this year for Bitcoin. If that happens, number one, then these targets that I'm talking about on the channel right now for Lukso, Trios, Veracity, and I'll do a few other coins that I'm following and invested in or will be investing in, then these price targets are live. Of course, if that does not happen, and it's possible that it doesn't happen, I don't think it's likely, but it's possible, anything's possible, then these targets would be null and void. As it stands, most of the crypto projects, regardless of their strength, follow Bitcoin, follow the price action of Bitcoin. So let's get into it. So here we go. We're looking at Lukso here. This is CoinMarketCap. We have the current market cap of $177 million. And based on some Fibonacci numbers and a gut feeling, and the fact that in Q4, we're supposed to see the mainnet come for Lukso, and with news like Nike filing for a blockchain patent and the partnership between Nike and Lukso, I think this project could really go wild. Now, Fibonacci is showing that we have a price target between $80 and $110. So about a 9x, and that would place Lukso here amongst this group right here. We have Helium, HMT, which is a really interesting project. If you haven't looked into it, I'll be doing some videos. HBAR, another really strong project. Chili's, Rune. So there's some really strong projects here in this range, and I think we could easily see Lukso here by the end of the year. Now, what my gut tells me is Lukso may go absolutely wild. And that, my personal target for this coin by the end of the year, this is November or December, is in the $4 billion market cap range. And this would be more of like a 20x. So that would put it amongst the FTX, the Graph, Axie Infinity, Neo, MakerDAO, etc. in this range. So I think this is where this project deserves to be. I think as it grows and as it's implemented, mainnet is live, and the projects that they have NDAs, non-disclosure agreements with, when those start to come out, we could even be higher than this. But my feeling is that it's a pretty safe investment as long as Bitcoin continues to appreciate for a 10 to 20x by the end of the year. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, but this is just my opinion. And here's the chart. We have a nice little rounded bottom forming here, and volume also is kind of doing that same sort of pattern, but we do need to see a little bit stronger volume. You can see back here with this run, it really built up, and then as we came down, obviously started to drop. So we really need to see some stronger volume here before we see that kind of parabolic breakout where we start to go into the above this $40 level and reach up here into the 100, 110 range and go beyond. So I hope that's helpful for you all, and I'm really excited about this project. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.